So Samsung could shock the world by doing something on the Galaxy S24 Ultra that we never thought they would ever do. You see, Samsung is the one that brought the trend of curved displays on smartphones. The Galaxy Note Edge, launched in 2014, was the first phone to have a curved display. At first, it used to be only on one side, but with the S6 Edge, they started having it on both sides. For years, Samsung kept these displays exclusively for themselves, but recently that changed when they ended the exclusivity and started supplying these displays to any company that wanted them. Interestingly, if you notice, in recent years, Samsung has been toning down the display curvature of their Ultra phones. I mean, take the S23 Ultra for example. You can barely tell that it has a curved display. And now, it looks like with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, Samsung is saying goodbye to curved displays altogether. Ice Universe has access to the dimensions of the S24 Ultra, which reveals the phone will be 0.3mm thinner than the S23 Ultra, which is good. Not only that, it's also a little wider. The screen size and the resolution remain the same. With this data, he made a render of the S24 Ultra, and it looks like this. The good news is the bezels look uniformly even from all sides. The bad news, the bezels aren't exactly thin as some rumors said they're gonna be. But the most important part here is that Ice Universe is guessing that the S24 Ultra will have a flat display. He's guessing based on the data that the width of the phone has increased but not the display size. If true, this would surely generate mixed reactions, as there are people who love curved panels because they make the phone look pretty. But there are also many who don't like it because it serves no function other than aesthetics and makes it hard to find a good cheap screen protector for the phone. So for them, this is good news. But for people like me who love curves, whether it's on the phone or on my woman, it's not. But before you get too excited or too disappointed, let me tell you a couple of things. First, it's possible that Ice Universe has information about a prototype unit of the S24 Ultra. I mean, here's the prototype of the S23 Ultra that has a flat display that never made it into the production stage. So it's possible that's what's happening here as well. It's an engineering sample made to just test the phone, nothing more. Second, Ice Universe himself mentions that there could be errors in the data he received, so it's not concrete. I would say until he comes up with some concrete evidence or OnLeaks himself comes out with his CAD renders, take the information of the S24 Ultra getting a flat screen with some level of skepticism. It's not impossible for Samsung to do it, but personally, I hope they don't do it. Let me know your thoughts. Do you prefer flat displays or curved displays? Let me know. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.